Guys, what's up guys? Welcome my YouTuber. My name's Omari Chacha. Yeah, I'm from Tanzania. Yeah, guys.
No, you're not from Tanzania.
Yeah.
No, he's not from Tanzania. He's currently in Nyabohansi. You stay in Nyabohansi. So guys, welcome to Omari's Chacha YouTube channel. Consider subscribing, share, and like.
Okay, guys. Thank
Stay
you.
tuned as we show you around our village. This is you have to show. So guys, this is maize mixed with banana with what beans, and this is tobacco. You see, this is tobacco, but still young. It's growing. You see, guys. So guys, we are going for a nature walk. We are going to show you around our village. It's beautiful. It's green. So guys, stay tuned. See how maize, they are very green and grown up. So guys, we are heading somewhere for a nature walk. Consider subscribing to Omari's Chacha YouTube channel. See guys how you. What are this? Wait. Oh my god! The ants want to bite us, guys. See the maze. Wow. You see the nature of our village? It's very beautiful, guys. See. Oh my goodness. You're passing through the maze. They're kind of tall. They're reaching on our waist. So guys, let's go. So wait for. So guys, these are the yams. So they are growing near the river. Here's the dog coming. Hello, doggy. Hello. This is a dog, guys. So guys, come and say hi. So guys, this is a stem that the corn, they have already removed the corn. This is old. When it's new, it looks like that, guys. You see. So guys, we are heading somewhere. The ants have bitten me on the neck. Oh my god. There's no water here. This is the river where they fetch water. You see the water is coming. You see how our village is looking good. So guys, this is not Tanzania. This is Nyabohansi village. In Tanzania, they don't have a lot of maize like here. You see. And that's a traditional toilet. You see it? It's not like the one. It's a local one. It's not for the rich. You see, a local toilet, guys. Very local. So guys, this is cassava leaves. It's good. It's used for manure. You see, they're putting them on the shamba. It's used for manure. Shikamoo. It's used for manure. You see another local toilet. A lot of local toilets. This is Omari Chacha. So guys, this is a mud house we have in the village, and that one is a cooking meko. It's traditional. They use 3 stones, and these are vegetables. You see, vegetables. And those are our pumpkins, banana trees. So you have to sit. Oh, see around, guys. A local toilet, another local toilet. Let's see. Andumianza.
Hey.
You see how they're very big, but they're not ripe. When they're ripe, they become yellowish, yellow in color. But when they look green.
Okay.
They're very yummy.
So guys. Okay. Welcome. Welcome, guys. So So guys, welcome. Kwani njia iko wapi? Ndio hii ama? Wow. Hiyo beans.